Good morning. Thank you for coming in today. Please have a seat.
Good morning. Thank you for having me. I appreciate the opportunity.
Let's start with an introduction. Can you tell me a little about yourself?
Sure, my name is Alex Carter, and I have 5 years of experience in web development. I specialize in front-end development, particularly in React and JavaScript, and I'm passionate about creating seamless user experiences.
That's great. Can you walk me through your resume and highlight your most relevant experience for this role?
Absolutely. In my previous role at Technova Solutions, I worked as a front-end developer, where I was responsible for designing and optimizing web applications. I successfully led a project that improved website load time by 40%, which significant L.
That sounds impressive. What made you interested in applying for this position at Codecrafters Inc.?
I've always admired Codecrafters Inc. for its innovative approach to web technologies and its strong team culture. I believe my skills in React, Next.js, and UI/UX design align well with this role, and I'm excited about the opportunity to contribute.
That's good to hear. What would you say are your strengths and weaknesses as a web developer?
My strengths include problem solving, writing clean and maintainable code, and optimizing website performance. One area I'm working on is improving my backend development skills, particularly with Node.js, and I've been actively taking courses and working on side projects to strengthen this.
Good self-awareness. Can you share a challenging web development project you worked on and how you handled it?
Certainly, at Technova Solutions, we had a project where we needed to migrate a legacy system to a modern React framework without disrupting user experience. I collaborated with the backend team to ensure a smooth transition, implemented a phased rollout, and conducted thorough testing, which resulted in a seamless migration with minimal downtime.
That's a great example. Where do you see yourself in 5 years as a web developer?
I see myself growing into a senior web developer role, mentoring junior developers, and deepening my expertise in full-stack development. I'd also love to contribute to open-source projects and stay at the forefront of emerging web technologies.
That's a great ambition. Do you have any questions for me about the role or the company?
No.
Well, that concludes our interview. Thank you for your time. We'll be in touch soon regarding the next steps.
Thank you for the opportunity. I look forward to hearing from you.